Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this spatula. First I put a layer of white on there to make sure the paint flows better. Without you, I always put all the colors down in the description. The order I pour them in is always a light color next to a dark color. And I like to pour the metallics first to put them on top. The sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you. It was the first time for me working with the spatula. I just pushed the spatula under the paint and lifted it a bit and then pulled it back. Make sure you don't scrape too hard on the canvas when you pull back, because otherwise you'll reveal too much canvas. It does create a little vacuum, so sometimes you need to pull the spatula a bit up and then pull it back. Most of all, just have fun with it, experiment with it just like I did, try things out and see what you like. Because I lost a lot of paint on the canvas, I'm pouring another dirty cup, but this time I'm gonna flip the cup on the spatula. Right here, without you. I did put some silicone in my paints, so cells are gonna appear. I only use the burner in the end when I like the composition of the painting. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it helped a bit and makes you go experiment with the spatula, because it's a lot of fun. The painting is available in my Etsy store and as art prints and other objects in my other stores. All the links are down below. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated, and if you want more beautiful pictures, go on my Instagram.